everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Thank you for clicking that play button. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 2021 F-250 Super Duty Lariat with the trimmer package. I'm going to walk around the vehicle, show you some of the features, advantages, and benefits. So let's go ahead and get into it. In the front here, you can see the large and nice grille styling here from Ford. Bright LED runners here, high intensity headlights. You will have fog lights integrated into that lower bumper, and you will have tow hooks, just a very aggressive front end here from Ford. Coming around to the wheel and tire setup, you can see you have like new tires all the way around. So you got an 18-inch factory Ford wheel there, nice black wheel. That's very cohesive to the color pattern of this truck, which by the way, is a metallic lithium gray here with the trimmer package, okay? And they're wrapped up in a nice set of Wranglers here. So let's go ahead, before we get in here, I did want to mention you will have turn signal indicators integrated in the mirror cap. These are tow mirrors, and you will have passive door entry with your proximity key with just the push of a button. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Taking a look inside here, the Lariat trim, as you can see, very beautiful. So you have a couple elements working with you here. You have your nice leather, you have your brushed aluminum, chrome accents, and your faux wood grain. That's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. Obviously you have beautiful leather seats, heated and cooled. We'll get over the features here in just a bit, but I did want to mention the passenger along with the driver's seat is powered, so you will be comfortable no matter what. Coming around to the rear door, this is a crew cab and you have plenty of space back here. Now this is lifted a little bit with the trimmer package, so I'm going to hop up in here, and as you can see, I'm about 5'10", not too tall, but I have plenty of room back here. One thing I did want to mention, you do have a flow-through center console. As far as power is concerned, you have a micro USB, a 12 volt, and a 110 back there, okay? So your rear passengers are going to be comfortable, connected, and charged at all times. And if we go up here, you will have a full panoramic sunroof, which is really nice, really opens up the cabin space. And over here, you will notice the fold down cup holder. Just a really nice truck all the way around. Coming around to the rear of the truck, you will notice this is a 6.5-foot bed, complete with a bed liner. Okay, you do have illuminated LED lights in here. You will see a rear sliding glass back there as well. We'll get into those features here in just a bit once we go into the driver area. Okay, there is your tow hitch and your 4-pin and 7-pin for towing. So you're set up to tow, good to go. You will notice the proximity sensors all the way around. So let's go ahead and take a look into the driver area. Before we do that, I wanted to mention this does have the keypad outside, so you can customize your own lock code. Okay. On the driver's side door, you will notice all your power doors, windows, mirrors, etc. And you will actually have 3 driver profiles there. So you have memory seatings, so you have 3 driver profiles which you can customize and set. To the left of the steering wheel, you'll have a couple options here as far as brightness and dimming controls for your center clusters, lamp selector, fog lights, and then you have your bed light right there, okay? There's your tailgate release, and you actually have adjustable foot pedals in here, and as well as your steering wheel. Everything is powered, tilt, telescoping, everything like that. So a lot of comfort and convenience features, as this is the Lariat trim. All right, guys, I did want to mention you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. Just a quick overview of the key fob. You have lock, unlock, remote start, and your tailgate down button, and you have your panic button as well. Okay, it is equipped with the push button start, so I already started it. As you can see, just over 18,000 miles. Let's go ahead and get into some of the steering wheel functions here. You will have your control pad for your center clusters to display all kinds of information here for you and customize it to however you would like it. Cruise control to the left. You have some volume controls to the right as well, and you can be hands-free via Bluetooth, okay? One thing I did want to mention, let me hop out here just really quickly. Now, since I started this up, this has quieted down considerably, but you will have an aftermarket dual exhaust here. It sounds really great, very aggressive on this trimmer package here. Was done by the previous customer, so it's from the factory. The trimmer package does have a louder sounding exhaust, but this was done professionally by the customer. Sounds really great and aggressive. Getting back into the interior, a couple things I wanted to point out here. You will have your integrated brake controller here with your Dean control, four-wheel drive selector, and then your nice large touchscreen display here. It is equipped with a backup camera. Okay, you have your good old shifter here, and you will have different drive modes. Okay, now this is equipped with the 7.3 liter V8. This is the F-250, and as you can see, you have tow haul, eco, slippery, deep snow and sand, and looks like, let me go here. You have an all-terrain mode that's just telling me to put it in the four-wheel drive. So those are the different driving modes, okay? Let me take this back. You will have navigation as well. Let me go ahead and shift this into reverse. You'll have your tow guidance lines right there. So a nice big touchscreen display with a backup camera. Working our way down, some hard buttons for the radio. Climate control down below. They are equipped with ventilated and heated seats. Wireless charging, again, micro USB. Massive center console here, great for storage, guys. Okay, I'm letting my key fob rest right in there. 2 cup holders, and you have your big compartment right here. You can store anything you want. Up here, you will see all the controls for your moonroof. It is functional here, and your rear sliding glass as well. That is all open. Very clean interior, no rip stains, tears, or odors, or anything like that. Very comfortable leather as well. So let's go ahead at this point and take a look under the hood. All right, guys, under the hood, you will find a beautiful 7.3 liter V8 engine, okay? No evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Our crew does an amazing job of making these ready for the next buyer. So let's go ahead and do our last portion of the video. And you've made it to the last portion of the video. If you're still watching, you might just be a buyer, so this section is for you. Okay, keep in mind this is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. This is where I'm gonna go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this truck. Starting up front here, you will see some minimal wear from the road. Okay, everything does look good. The chrome surrounding the grille, there's no chips or cracks or anything like that. The headlights are very clear, maybe a small blemish here, okay? All the way around the wheels and the wheel well, everything looks good. Chrome trim around your F-250 badging is very good. Minimal wear and tear on the mirror cap here, all the way down to these nice, almost very rugged running boards. They are Ford. I didn't notice that, but now I did notice. I think those come with a trimmer package, okay? Okay, all the way back to our bedside. No dents or dings or anything like that. Okay, no chipping on that badging right there or that decal. If we look up here, it looks like they didn't use the bed a lot, so there's no scarring or anything like that. Bed's very clean. Like I said, spray-in bed liner all the way to the back bumper. No dents or dings or anything like that. Super clean truck. You might see a blemish here on the back near the tailgate. No curb rash on those wheels. If you get curb rash on those wheels, I don't know what you're doing driving, but frame super clean underneath. No issues that I did see all the way up here. Maybe a small blemish there. On the driver's side rear door. And this high gloss black's even in good shape. Very good for this year in the mileage. And then in the interior, I didn't see anything. There's not really any wear here, probably because of these running boards. Usually they wear right here on the lip of the seat, but the leather is in good shape. No rip stains, tears, definitely no odors. Owner was a non-smoker. I do see some wear on that grab bar here by the door handle here. Other than that, very clean truck. If you have any more questions, please give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or you can go to All Things Automotive, shop online 24/7. Guys, it takes 5 minutes to get pre-approved. Yes, we take trades. You will have some warranty left from Ford, but make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this truck does qualify. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video informational. Have a blessed day.